Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're doing create your own gem stickers. To me, it sounds like diamond painting meets stickers. It kind of reminds me of the etch art sticker thing, so I want to give this a try, see if it's any fun like the etch art was. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, it includes 9 stickers, gem bags, not a count or anything, solid glue, point pen, and plastic tray. I don't know what solid glue means. I'm gonna say that actually means wax. Oh, that actually says believe in magics. I couldn't tell what that said on the box there. I just saw the magic part. Interesting. Now, this was not the only theme they had. There. There was like face and other stuff. There's like 4 or 5 other ones. I can't remember quite what they were, but I picked up the one with rainbows on it because I like rainbows. So now it is time to choose which one we're gonna do. I like them all, so this is hard. I think I'm going to do this one. It's hard to see because I have the light on, but it has like a little bit of everything I want to try. I want to do the letters because I can't read that. I wonder... I can read it now, but I couldn't on the box, so I wonder if it's gonna look like that when the gems are on it. I'm just curious to see how letters are gonna look on this. And I wanted a rainbow and I wanted a cat or a unicorn, so I think this is a good compromise one to work on. Alright, so I'm gonna start with 2. I am a little disappointed that they don't come with like little Ziploc baggies to kind of store these in for the ones that you're not using. Like once you open the bag, it's like game over if you drop it, you know? I'm gonna see if these work as well as whoops, let me just not throw them everywhere. As well as, what is it, dots? Something like that. And yeah, they seem to be flipping over just fine. They're a little bit of a different color, I would say, than the typical diamond art branding. I can't believe they're calling wax solid glue, though. That's weird. And it's also like a really red color. Okay, time to peel it back. Okay, so only the part you're working on is gonna be sticky. I was scared the whole sheet was gonna be sticky. I'm like, oh, how's that gonna work? But yeah, I'm gonna get started here. I might actually put some of this back onto the part I'm not working on, like the believe in magic part, because my hand's probably gonna rest there. But let's go ahead and get started here. Hopefully the glare won't be too awful. Okay, I turned off the light and it got rid of some of the shine, but not a lot of it. Like, I don't know where I should be putting my tray when we're this zoomed in, you know? Like, do you guys want to see my tray? Do you not? It's interesting how they're interpreting white as silver, though. And I do wonder what this is gonna look like when it's done, having silver cats and unicorns. I do feel like there's a lot more holes in this because it's not on a grid like typical diamond paintings are. So like there's that space there that I think is weird. I don't think it'd be too bad if like the diamonds match the background though. But these are silver. And the cat is white, so it's gonna be noticeable for me at least. This is what it looks like with all of the number 2s in. I don't think it looks terrible. I do feel like there are a bit of gaps though because it's not on a grid like typical diamond paintings are. But it's still pretty cute so far. So let's figure out how we're gonna get these back into this bag here, because I think that's like a big part for me. If it doesn't go back in the bag nicely with this tiny little I guess it's doable. Still think we should have gotten some little reusable baggies. Don't know why that's so hard for companies to grasp when we're not going to use everything all at once. Am I the only one that feels that way? That they should just come in a reusable baggie instead of like this plastic shit we're gonna throw out? Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next color here, which is gonna be number 1, which is the pink one. Well, I guess we're just gonna throw them all in here. I should have done the cloud while I had the white or silver ones out, but oh well, too late. So basically what these gems are is they are like baby rhinestones, so they're not the same quality as like diamond art. The diamond art diamonds, like the dot. I know for sure the dot diamonds are made from resin. And these are just like baby rhinestones, so they have like a plastic dome and like a silver backing on them. I've decided I actually am gonna go ahead and do all of the ones, because I really don't know if I can dump all this back into the bag. Alright, so I've done all the pink. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the twos that I missed from the first pass over. I mean just didn't do. I'm gonna scoot this up out of the light so it's not as horrible to look at. Their faces look kind of like hilarious without their diamonds in them. Like they're dizzy or something, you know? It's like that typical, like, what is it? 80s and 90s anime swirly eyes that nobody does anymore. I am kind of curious to know if there's enough diamonds in this kit to fill in all the stickers, or if like you run out, you're done, you're doomed, you got nothing. So if you want to see that in part 2, let me know in the comments below, or by liking the video. Listen, I don't recommend doing all of them at once, especially if you were previously looking down a lot doing some other project. I've gone ahead and I finished off the silver gems for the cloud, and I'm probably gonna work in a way that I'm just doing the same color on everything at once. Just so I don't have to keep like pulling it out of the bag, because it is a little bit irritating to do this. Let me show you. Have the bag open and try to scoot it. Oh. Like, I've already had to cut them open more, and it's like a bigger opening means a bigger opening for it to fall out of as well as put into, you know? So I just wish it would include some kind of reusable thing for this stuff to go into. And it's also super shiny. Like, this is just my overhead light. I don't have any of my extra like studio lights on, and it's like hurting my eyeballs. So now I'm gonna do 8, which is another kind of pink. Hopefully it looks different enough. There's not a whole lot of these. I hope we don't need them on anything else ever. Oh, I just realized I forgot some ones. I don't feel like these pinks are really different enough. Like, they are different, but not enough. They're both on the heart. The lighter ones are over here in this corner, but I don't think they're different enough. I don't know, that's just my opinion. So far the colors have been like matching their background pretty well. And now I'm doing 4. And this color looks nothing like this like minty color. See? I don't know. I'm not convinced. We'll see, we'll see. I'm actually gonna turn this one, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to understand what this says once it's done, so we'll see. This is crazy how all these ones are jammed in, and yet there's like huge gaps and spaces on the other sections. Okay, so the black diamonds I think were actual resin diamonds. They just look different from the rest, like they didn't have the silver backing like the other ones did. So I'm gonna say that they are resin and the rest of them are just rhinestones. Now I did the believe in magic, and I can't tell that the top says believe in without the background. The magic looks fine though, but the believe in part, not so much. Like the E's are completely different. Like that stack of 6 is an E, and then this one over here is an E. They're not even the same. Like, just be a little bit more consistent. Like, Jesus. And they did manage to make it so the outer edge here is not sticky. So the stickiness really is pretty close to where it should be where you're placing the diamonds. So that's impressive. Yeah, but let's get to sticking them down, see if their sticker parts is any good. I got my scrapbook out. So I think we're gonna put them on this spread if they all fit here. Just go ahead and see. Oh, they're transparent. That's so cool. Look, they're the transparent type of sticker. I was not expecting that. Let's see, can I fit Kitty over here? Put my kitty there. I had to move my eggs and bacon around a little bit though to get it to fit in there. And our little cloud here. Right there. And our blob in magic. Oh, I am a little disappointed that the G isn't clear behind it. That's sad. I still can't tell what that says. I can see the magic, but I can't see the other part. Now let's see if they're reusable in any kind of way, or if they're stuck down, they're stuck down. Oh yeah, I think they could definitely be peeled up and replaced if you're careful. Also got chi fur in them already. So I am quite impressed with the adhesive being only where it should be and not like everywhere else. Although I do wish that they were a bit more consistent. Like, I want there to be less gaps in places. And this was an atrocity. They should probably not do words this small. And I wish, this is like across all the brands out there, if anyone's listening, I wish the diamonds came in pre-labeled reusable bags and not this plastic stuff that we're gonna toss. Because we're gonna toss it and it's just a waste. You can't recycle this type of stuff. Or maybe you can. Either way, I think it should be in reusable stuff. So now that we're done, I actually do really like the colors. I do wish the pinks were a little bit different, but that's just like a me thing. You could be satisfied with how different the pinks are. I'm just not. I do recommend this, especially if you do scrapbooking and stuff. Now this is just like a throwaway page for me because I was just testing out the stuff. But I think it's really cute and I think it's a fun activity. Most of them are just baby rhinestones, so they're not going to be made out of resin. So keep that in mind when you're working with this in case you have an issue with the resin plastic. Everything else worked fine. Like, I think it worked fine. It's a good kit. It's definitely fun. It was like $5 at Walmart. There's different themes and stuff. I can't quite remember all the themes, but it is definitely cute, and I'm probably going to use the other stickers for scrapbooking once I do them. Speaking of which, these are the other stickers we have left here, and I see a lot of ooze get used, and I am curious to know if there are enough diamonds to fill out all the stickers. Like, if there are enough diamonds in this kit to fill out all the stickers. So let me know if you're interested in that as well by leaving a like or comment down below, and I'll do a part 2. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see a similar type of video, go ahead and click the box right here. And if you just want to see something chaotic, click the box here. And I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye!